So as I promised, I am up with our nose study details in pencil shading. So those who are seeing this channel for the first time, so my name is Suma Babu. I am a self-taught artist. Self-taught artist means like I have not undergone any proper coaching in practicing art. So I took out time by watching some YouTube videos and practicing myself at home, and reading some books made me to understand the craft better, and I did so many practices. That's why I'm here. So I'm here to help you with the techniques which worked for me. I'm sharing those tips and tricks with you all through this channel. And at the same time, I would like to say that if you are getting a chance to train under a professional teacher, you should take up that chance too, because that saves years. My intention to say this all things is that you should not find any excuse which refrain you from practicing art. So you should take up either way. So back to our topic. Today we are going to do the nose study in details. Then I feel like most of my art students find it difficult. They are very confident with the eye drawing, but they are still confused with how to make a nose. So I don't find the reason behind it, but as a general rule, you can take up like any complex subject, you can make into a simple basic shapes, or convert into a simple basic shape. So that will be easy for you. Then you have to add value in it. So now about nose. In my personal opinion, how I start a portrait is with the eyes. Like I place the eyes in proper place, like with the proper gap and all, and the angle should be correct. Angle in the sense, like if you are tilted our face like this, the angle differs. Look at the eyes and you get the different angle. And if you are keeping your face up straight, your angle is exactly horizontal line. So that tilting and that slight changes you have to notice. That is the first thing you have to do while starting up a portrait. Then my way of doing is this. So if you have noticed my previous videos, whatever I have done as a portrait study, you might have noticed that I don't sketch it. I don't do any sketching part, or I see the shapes in it and I try to place that shapes in proper places. So that also I start with the eyes. So that is my starting point. But some artists are there, they do the frame of the face. Later they place the details of eyes, nose and whatever details they have to give. So my way of doing is that you can check one of few of my videos which I have already posted as the whole portrait study. So whenever I am starting a portrait, I start with the eye. I make a straight line and I place the eyes. Okay. Then comes our nose. So how I'll start is, normally what I do, I'll follow this line. Okay. This line. And I make this line very light-handed. Like you should not give any pressure while making, especially while making nose. Like if you see even the eyes, you get the stiff lines, like in this frame, this line can be stiff, like you can take the dark tone. Okay, but in nose, nowhere you may find it any specific guidance for the lines. So it depends on the light, how it falls on your face. Like this thing, if you are making the straight front nose, so it may be over the bridge of this nose. So as per that, this area will get that most of the light which get highlighted, and the behind portion will be obviously darker. So that is the normal general case. So when we are making it, we have to make this all area darker area. Even if we are making the darker area, we should not press the pencil so hard so that we get that rough effect in our face. So you should be very careful. We have to layer up the pencil shading by using cross hatching or whatever method you are comfortable with. So we have to layer it. Don't shade in one stretch, like here you are feeling, or here you are getting the dark tone directly with one dark pencil. Don't do it. So that is the way you should give the values to, especially for the nose. So I may start from this point and I follow this track. Nowadays I started making 3 circles for getting that proper placement of the nose, for making the planes right, taking the planes right. So here we get a straight, like it's a kind of triangle shape, or you can take as a parallel line as well. So after that you get, I normally make with the 3 circles, like you get a circle, big circle here, and this both the side you can make a 2 small circles. This all things I'll be showing in a demo video, but before that I want to make you understand the basic concepts of nose. So after this 3 circles, I place all the lines in proper place. Then we have to shade with correct value scale. If you are not doing that in a right way, you won't be able to do or get the realistic look of the nose. Like if it is going the one step ahead of the dark tone, or either way, like the lighter tone, if you are giving in the lightest way, both are will make you a different look of that look of your portrait. So be careful about that. Value scale is important for making especially the portraits. I'll say especially the portraits, but even if you are making nature drawing or any flower, there if slight changes, it won't be that much visible. But in portraits, it is mandatory that you should follow the correct value scale. So I have already posted one such video in my art video playlist, so you can check that. I may share the link somewhere here, so you can check that. Understand the concept very well, like you can repeatedly see that video or understand what is meant by value scale. So I have told about 5 grid value scale, that you have to be thorough with it. And if you want to make the hyper realistic portraits and all, you can follow that 8 grid value scale. If you are adding more values to it, that much hyper realistic portrait you can make. That is the point always you should remember, and keep trying, and whatever you are seeing it, you have to make it. That's all about drawing. So that is especially when you are starting, you have to practice more of the front view of the nose. Okay, then you get the side views and different angle you get to see. Like you can take this view from the bottom. I have already told you about the perspective. Like in different perspective, you can get different look of a nose. Same with any features of your face, like different angles you get. Front view is most easiest way of making a nose. So practice more of that, then you try side views and different angles. Okay, so you understand the anatomy first and try to put whatever you are seeing that in your picture. That is the key rule for any drawing. Now I'll show all these things which we have discussed in a demo, so you will understand the concept better. So let's get started.
I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you now? You never took me seriously. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I put all your things away. You're welcome. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome, but I can't promise that you got me out of whack. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna do with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss, but I can't promise that.
So every artist, especially the beginners, may face a problem of stucking up in some areas of our face, like while making portrait. So if you have any such area, let me know in the comment section so that I can take up, and I'll try to help you out simplifying that, how to make it. So hope this video is really useful to you, and if you have any suggestions or any comments regarding this video, put it in the description box so that I can try to respond to it, and I'll try to clear your doubts as well. Hope this video is useful. So see you next time with some other features of a face. So see you soon. Until then, take good care of your health and happy painting. Bye.